Maintaining sustainable ecosystems, banning single-use plastics is a future investment. Choose more compostable products like paper cups, cutlery, and beverage carton drinks.
Nonsense! It is not an investment at all. Paper-based alternatives contain around 5 to 20% of plastics to resist water, oil, stain, and heat. For example, beverage cartons contain 22% of polyethylene to contain liquids for longer periods. Paper straw or food wrappers containing coatings of perfluoroalkoxy alkanes to extend their functions, as well as bringing inevitable health hazards. But these alternatives are multi-lamination of materials that require sophisticated technologies and high cost on equipment and material separation. Thus, they are usually rejected by recycling centers and end up in the landfill or incineration facilities. So, this solution is not sustainable at all. Particularly in Hong Kong, Miu Miu is processing this type of mixed waste. However, it could only do hydrolytic separation of fibers. Other plastic coated materials, such as aluminium plastic, could only be discarded. To change the current landscape, the CUHK iGEM team applies enzymatic biodegradation to verify the feasibility of lignolytic complex originated from white rot fungus to degrade PE and PFAs, notorious for their degradation resistance, and lignocellulose waste, such as paper. If proven successful, it can kickstart the development of an enzymatic bioreactor system to facilitate mixed material recycling. Join us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to learn more.